click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. Hey, this is Meenakshi Srivastava and welcome back to my YouTube channel, My Boho Voyage. And this time in my travel vlog, I'm taking you to this beautiful village of Uttarakhand, Senji Gaon. So let's start exploring. Located few kilometers from the famous Kamptee Falls of Mussoorie, this village of Uttarakhand, named Senji, is mostly famous for hanging dried corns in their houses. Now, how to reach Senji? Senji village is just 5 kilometers away from the most famous falls of Mussoorie, the Kamptee Falls, which used to be raw and beautiful back in the 90s but aren't pretty anymore because they are more commercialized and they've destroyed the falls. Anywho. So to reach Senji, you can put Kamptee Falls on your GPS and then ask the locals or cab drivers or shopkeepers about Senji Gaon and they'll drop you there or help you reach there. The famous Rokeby Manor of Landor can also give you its directions and information. So you can reach to Senji Gaon by either hiring a cab or by taking your own car. The village has just few houses and parking is free and available. Or use your or a rented bike. वैसे तो all the villages of Uttarakhand are extremely beautiful, पर इस गांव की खास बात है इनके घरों में लटके हुए ये भुट्टे, the hanging corns in their houses. This village comes under the Tehri Garhwal district of Uttarakhand. And there's a river flowing nearby, said the Dadi. And when I asked her to take me to the river, she said, "Itna bhi paas nahi hai." And so we had to skip it because I did not have much time to stay. Do you see this? They use step farming for farming, which not only saves water but also conserves soil. Also, this improves land productivity and soil fertility. So, there are many theories on the internet regarding the hanging corns. Like some say it is to ward off the evil, and some say it is to protect the houses from the spirits. But when I talked to the actual dadis, them grandmothers of this village, they told me the only reason they do this is to collect seeds for the next season of farming corn crops. That's all. That's the only truth. कोई भूत भूत नहीं है. Now, things to do in Senji Gaon or any other villages of Uttarakhand. Things to do as an explorer and a boho soul. Talk to the villagers. They'll tell you a lot of detail about a lot of things. Enjoy the village life for a day. Dive deep into the Garhwali culture and live the village life for a day. Also, when you come during the corn season, you can actually do certain tasks that this village performs for collecting the corn, for making makke ka atta and things like that. And also, you can eat makke ki roti during the corn season. The ladies of the village also cook it for you. I visited this village during the end of March, so there were very less corns hanging in the houses, and a very few houses were hanging them. But I'm guessing the best time to see more of these hanging corns should be after March, July, or August. Just a guess. Now the best part. This village has one of the best and the funniest grandmothers. And while I was having a conversation with one of the dadis, she asked me if I was married or not. And when I said no, she offered me to get married to her own son. And following is the conversation where she tells me all the benefits of becoming a Bahu of Senji Gaon. Hear it out.
घास काटना, गोबर उठाना, भैंस दूनी,
शादी कर लो ये सारे प्रॉफिट हो
गेहूं
जाएंगे
काटना, बूटा तोड़ना, वही होते हैं हमारे गांव में.
हमारे गांव का सुख है.
बस
धूप
आजा
यहीं आ जाओ.
आजा बहू हमारी.
आपकी बहू
खाएंगे, रोटी भी खाएंगे. हैं?
और क्या.
हाँ मक्के की रोटी.
इतना
और
बड़ा
गोबर तो इतने ना हाथ भरने पड़ेंगे.
कितने मजे लेके बता रही है.
So, this was the end of this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did enjoy the video, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel and come connect with me on Instagram at @mybohovoyage. Also, if you guys want to book your trips or travel experiences with me, then go check out my travel website in the description box below. To check out the full list of things to do in Mussoorie, Landor, or Dehradun, go check out the links in the description box below. So, see you next time with another amazing travel experience or a vlog. Till then, goodbye.